Hello guys, welcome to that video. Today we're gonna just I'm gonna show you how you can build like sentiment analysis service under 10 minutes. What we're gonna be using, we're gonna be using Python, and we're gonna use FastAPI as a web framework, and we're gonna use transformers from Hugging Face. Okay, this is Hugging Face. It's a well-known company in the AI space. This is not like for AI researchers, more like for software engineers who want to use AI but don't want to train the data. So we have a bunch of models you can pretty much use for pretty much everything, like multi-model, computer vision, natural language processing, audio, text to speech. So those models are free. Okay. So what we're gonna use today is a text classification. So I'm just gonna take the most downloaded one. It's like the database Go Emotion, and so you can just pick a model and read a little bit about what the model does. And for example, you have to create day. Let's say that I got hurt at soccer practice yesterday. I mean, there are some use cases for there are some use cases where you can need like a sentiment analysis, for example, model. Like they say that you have like a forum or a bunch of commentaries and that you want just like to classify. Okay, so it's more like text classification. So enough with the talking. Let's go with the coding. Okay, so I have a little requirement here that of library we need Unicon, because you want like to FastAPI is async sorry, web framework, so we're gonna use Unicon to make it run. Not too large, but anyway, not mandatory. Pythonic, because it's great for typing in models, and transformers from that we get from Hugging Face, because we have a library called transformers. Here you can use like the model you want to use. So we have like the thing they call pipeline, where you give the category of the model when you use, and then the name of the model. I don't want to go too much into the details. Yeah, so let's create our bump space. I'm an OD, so source. Okay, now so let's install all the requirements. It's gonna take a little bit of time. Oh, pretty much everything already installed. So yeah, first time it was text, because most of the things are cached, as you can see. So what we're going to learn today is you can pretty much use it like for any of the transformers, like in the pipeline, whether it's like computer vision or text to audio, audio to text. Just like for just note, like when you will be like using it, like when we be building like some let's say that an image segmentation service or object detection service, you need like to transform like your image into like a pill, just like the pillow, I think it's the name of the Python image library. It's well known. That here just an example. Shouldn't take that long. I mean, installing the requirements takes a lot of time, but building it is pretty fast. Like when you have done it once, like most time, like 5 minutes, you can pretty much build another service. So just taking a lot of time to install. So you can build services like that in pretty much no time. A lot of services, and something might be useful for you, or you can monetize it. Oh, finally! Oh, great! We can start now. So we're gonna have like a directory named hub, in which I would have just have hub and okay. What we can do from FastAPI, we're gonna import FastAPI, and from FastAPI, I think we need the response. Okay, let's just see if we need that. We're just gonna make sure first. Okay, now we have my hub here, which is FastAPI. Okay, just because okay, title, let's text classifier or something like that. Okay, and we say up post, because classify so yeah, okay, so let me know def classify, and we will have something we're gonna call payload, and we will return what we okay. So I'm gonna use a Python tick for that. Import base model, say class payload, which is a base model with text, which is a string. Okay, if let's say if payload, okay, if not payload.text, return. What you can return is okay, who cares? It's gonna be empty anyway. So let's just, so what we want to do, I'm just gonna make sure that we return the and yeah. So for that I'm gonna use fast API responses import JSON response, return what we can do. I don't know if I can pass like yeah. Okay, this is just, let's just call it test. Okay, just to make sure that the service is running. So I will return. Okay, makes sense. Okay, good. So we have here. Okay, so if I do something like that, yeah, you can see, you can try it out. Okay, this is great, and we should have help. Okay, test. Okay, so good. So now we pretty much know what we want, so we gonna just declare like okay, let's call it okay. Yeah, let's just async everything. Classify, we say classify text with text, and what's gonna take. So for that, you just go here like this. We can do that, and what I'm just gonna do, return pipe of text. Okay, and from transformers import pipeline. Okay, so now what you should do is data, let's say, and data will be equal to okay, so result will weight of classify text of payload text. I mean, you could have used Flask for that, or Django, okay, so go back. Okay, perfect. So now we text classifier, and if we okay, should have the response admiration. Okay. What else can we test? I mean, Python is amazing. To be fast. I mean, good stuff. Let's see. Let's say I don't really like this. Look how long it takes to install the requirements. It's disapproval. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So you can see you can pretty much it's kind of like the same thing. If you want to use any kind of model, I think we can even test with no model, which is just in the text classification model. Let's say the token classification. We can even try the question. Yeah, I mean, you can pretty much see even like for object detection. Let's say most downloads. Take this one, and you can use a transformer. It's pretty much the same thing. You will just have to pipe, like in the pipe, you will just have to pass an image. For same for image to text to visual question answering, those kind of stuff. Yeah. Thanks for watching. That was pretty much whole for the code. It's very straightforward. Yeah. Have a good one.